Hi everybody! Today I am making a fabric wrapped candy cane. This is one of the candy cane forms from Dollar Tree. They're usually out around Christmas. I had a couple left over. I think I only have like one left, but anyway, I've seen these done with ribbon before and it seems like such a monumental waste of ribbon. But I guess if you have a ribbon that you really like, you know, you do you, but I'm not much like that, so. These are some jelly rolls that I got from Walmart after Christmas. They don't say how much they were originally. I think I paid like maybe $1 for them. And even if I only took cause I don't know that I would use this polar bear for anything, but I might use the dots. I might use the snowflakes, whatever. Like this one has a bunch of plaids. The truck, which I wouldn't use, but I was like, I'm gonna get these because I can find something to do with them. So these two are the same, just like golds and silvers with creams. This is like a blue one over here. The one I'm going to be using is this one with the plaids and the truck. So yeah, that just needed to be finagled. Hold that down. The only problem with these is that they are incredibly lightweight. So it's like, you gotta make sure when you put it on your door that it's like anchored on there pretty good, because you get a stiff breeze and he's gonna go flying into your neighbor's yard and they're gonna be like, oh, I have a candy cane thing. That's mine. That happened to me one time. I had this big garland around my door, and I don't know if my neighbor realized it, but I had this big garland around my door, and like we had this really bad storm, and I went outside and like a bunch of poinsettias. They were like copper colored, glittery poinsettias. They were gone, and I was like, oh man, my poinsettias blew away. And then I looked over at my neighbor's house across the street, and she had like a plain green wreath up, and all of a sudden had a bunch of poinsettias in it. And I was like, all right, I got those like 4 years ago. There's no way that she went and found the exact same ones, because I don't even remember where I got them from. But I was like, she can have them. Let her live her life. Miss Mary. Okay, so this is wrapped, and I'm going to make a quick bow using the Easy Bow Maker because I'm too tired to get up and grab the other one. What is the other one called? The Pro Bow. Alright, I'm using Buffalo Check, Houndstooth, and this green and white. I don't know about that lime. Green and white, green and red. I don't know about the lime, but let's try something. Let's experiment. Alright, I gotta remember how to do this now. Oh no, I don't have my spool holder over here. My whole life was changed by that thing. First of all, I hate this ribbon, y'all. Michael's was like, oh, it's on sale for $1.50, and I was like, oh, awesome. And then I've been using it ever since, and I'm like, this was definitely overpriced. this end up looking whimsical again? It's because I'm too damn whimsical. I'm like really freaking Wonka. I'm just twisting this on the back. See, this is just here. I would twist it. Actually, let me twist it a little tighter from this side. But I'd pull it tight, twist it so it doesn't move, and then you know, twist these together, loop them around here, whatever. And then just get them underneath the fabric so there is nothing to scratch anyone's doors. Yep. This is kind of a big bow for this little candy cane, but I love this houndstooth. That's going to be my next, like I ordered like 35 yards of the, it wasn't 35 yards. I ordered so much of the Harlequin ribbon. Now I'm gonna get on Craft Outlet and order the houndstooth. I'm just going to cut some greenery for this. We're gonna call it a day, because I don't like these when they're over embellished, I guess. They just, I mean, it's too, I mean, if it was like a bigger candy cane, like maybe you could get away with like a big giant bow and, you know, all this other stuff sticking out of it, but these are just too small. And these are too, where are those scissors at? Oh, I'm like looking for scissors, cracking my back. This needs to be a little bit shorter. So yeah, anyway, it's flooding again. My street's not flooded this time. I mean, it could be, because the beginning and the end of my street floods, but my mom, right in front of her house, floods. Because, you know, we don't have money to make sure the pumps are working during hurricane season, but we got money for a 4th of July celebration at the park where we're all not supposed to be seeing each other. But that ain't none of my business. I love this boxwood. I was going to try to like pull that piece off, but it's got that sticker on there, so let's just leave it be. And again, I don't want to add too much, and I would love for my glue pot to be on, but my glue pot and my lights are no longer on speaking terms. So it's one or the other. We can either see what I'm doing, or I can use my glue pot. I need to put the glue pot on like a different, what is that called? The thing that makes it powered? A different outlet? The thing that makes it powered. I am so eloquent when I'm speaking. Fluff these out some. You know how to do that. I don't need to tell you how to do it. Fluff them out some. Oh, I do not miss this, y'all. Like, even if you're just kind of bending it, like, give it a little something. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that because I will just keep adding stuff until this, you know, you can't even see the fabric. But I think the fabric's cute. You know, it's like a chalkboard that I hold it up close so you can see it pretty okay. And there's our bow, and that is a quick project made even quicker if you don't, you know, talk about a bunch of stupid YouTubers. And I think, depending on how you want this to hang, you can use this as a hanger. You know, like hook it on um, your wreath hanger, the screw on your door, whatever you use. I like a wreath hanger. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you later on. Bye.